Hello, in this tutorial I will teach you how to configure your Facebook to broadcast live. First, let's click on Continue with Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account in your browser. Here, we'll click on Edit Access and select all options. Now let's continue. Here, you need to click on Friends and select Public. That way, anyone will be able to watch your Facebook broadcast. Click on Finish. Let's click Continue. Done, we've added our Facebook account. It's important to accept and check mark all the options from the previous session for your broadcast to run smoothly. We also have the option to send a login invitation. Simply click here and send the link to the desired profile. After registering all the profiles, click on Create Live. In this step, we'll select the desired account. Here we choose either feed or page. So let's give our broadcast a name and a description. After filling in all the fields, click on Save. Now we can enable streaming, but remember to start streaming on your video encoder, be it OBS or vMix. It's worth mentioning that the web TV service can broadcast both the scheduled playlist and the live broadcast. This question mark button is used to view the logs. Here, Facebook can alert us about the status of our transmission. For instance, we can see the start time of our broadcast here. Okay, we're live. To end the broadcast, simply click here. You can also change your transmission information by clicking on this icon. I hope this helps. See you in the next tutorial.